Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine, and we're going into our 5th month since we launched, and we're very excited. We have a lot of recipes on our website. We've done quite a few videos, and so we decided to launch Shelly's Talk. And so this is officially episode 1 of Shelly's Talk. So we just want to tell you a little bit more about our website and some of the recipes. As you know, our slogan is Cuisine with a Twist, because we make recipes and we find a way to twist them. And so we are very excited about a lot of the recipes that we have. And we want you to know on our website, we have a lot of twist sections. And as we are Cuisine with a Twist, you are our twisters. And so twisters, we will be relaunching our website, revamped it a little bit, and we want you to know what sections we have. So we have Twisted in Under 30 Minutes. That's for those people who want to come home and cook and get this meal on the table pretty quick, working parents, single people, to have a nice meal, healthy meal, and get it done quickly. We also have a main dish twist. That section has your main dishes, side dish twists. We have a salad twist for those of you that like the salads. And we have a juice twist because I like to make a lot of lemonades. We all know I have a lot of lemonades. Lavender lemonade, basil lemonade, rosemary lemonade. So you're looking for lemonade, Shelly's Cuisine's website is the place for you. So anyway, and we have a slow cooker twist because we have a slow cooker section. And we have air fryer twist because we like to use the air fryer. It's quick, it's healthy. We have an appetizer section. And we have a tea party section. So ladies, you want to have a tea party, you want to get ideas, you want to know maybe what you could prepare for your tea party or how you could dress your table. Shelly's Cuisine has that tea party section because I love to have tea parties. And so we also have a section that talks about Shelly's staples. And Shelly's staples are the things that I always have in my kitchen and I always cook with. And so Shelly staples, my rosemary sea salt, I always use that. And my other go-to is Grey Poupon mustard. I love mustard. So anyway, I also have a section called Shelly's Mentionables. So there are certain food items that I use, or vinegars or oils, and I just give a shout out. And so I have that section. And not to forget my sweet tooth twist section. Yes, that's the sweet section with all the cakes. I have my banana bread there. I have baked oatmeal, and we will be adding that 7-Up cake recipe soon. So we have a lot of different sections, and I also have a marinated section for the newbie cooks, because if you don't know how to marinate your food, your meat, I'll teach you how. So in our first Shelly's Talk, just basically gave you an overview of our website. We do make videos and we produce the videos. We launch the videos once a week on YouTube. I'm sorry, I'm getting all caught up here. But once a week we have videos. We do have Shelly's blog. And on our blog, we have a lemonade blog. You know I like lemonade. We have a lavender blog right now, and we have a cilantro blog. And what's great about the blogs, on the blogs, we speak about the topic, and then we reference the recipes we have on the website so that you could make those recipes that go with that topic. And we will be doing a monthly newsletter, so look forward to that. And Twisters, we want to hear from you. We want you and your friends to subscribe to Shelly's Cuisine. We're on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And please visit our website to have all of our information. And we look forward to twisting with you each week. Thank you. Shelly's Talk out.